With our front lever, we want to be hanging from the rings and we want our shoulders and our hips to be parallel with the ground. So that's the ultimate goal, where we want to get into a position where we're hanging there. If we get to a point where we're pretty comfortable in that position, we can extend the legs out further, so the hips are at 90 degrees, the knees are at 90 degrees, and the shoulder and the hips are still parallel with the ground. So that's the hold that we want you to be able to get to. So it's quite a difficult hold. If we go back a few steps, what we want to do is, if you're comfortable hanging on the rings, we're going to get into a position where we are upside down. So we want to get into that position there. It's probably going to be very wobbly to start with, but we just want to get you comfortable hanging. And then as we get stronger, we just want to bring your hips a bit further down and just find that point where it feels like you're about to fall away, like so. We just want to find that position just before that and holding there. As we get stronger, we'll get our hips further and further down towards the ground until we get into that shoulder and hips parallel with the ground. If we can't get into that upside down position, then we go over to the bars. So if we're struggling or don't have the confidence to hang from the rings, initially all we're doing is just hanging, bring those knees into the chest and just hold back as far as we can and hold there, like so.